I'm Noah, and this is Noah's Talk. Guys, we're making a pumpkin pie because it's almost Halloween. Who's filming right now is my dad.
One, 4. So you get
1, 4.
Yeah.
Guys, look how much there is. It's like stacking up.
Like that. You need 3 of those.
1, 3.
A half teaspoon of salt.
Comment down below if you like salt on your french fries, guys. If you have too much salt, then you will throw up.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Good, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Okay, let's see how much I've closed. This is really strong, so make sure you do it level, okay? Close half, so we only need 1 of these because it's super strong flavor.
Never put way too much, guys, because
2
it's
eggs.
really strong, guys. That's what my mom said.
Give me the shot.
Pour the whole egg out.
Okay, it says let it go until blended. Like this, and take it off of the side.
Okay, got it. It's so sturdy, you have to still put it in.
Okay, let's add our pumpkin.
Are all the pumpkins in there?
Yeah.
And the whole thing goes inside.
2. You.
And
This is actually number 2, actually. Wow, it's good. It's yummy. Can't wait to eat it. My shoulder is very short because from karate. You're at my house, you don't want to touch inside here.
15 minutes at 425.
I got the biggest 3 because we're going to put some cinnamon, but first we had to do that and then put cinnamon. And it's so The big girl is nice. I don't know where's the tiny boy. Do you want this piece? Do you want it? Come on, guys, follow me. Also, this was my merch looks like. Cinnamon sugar, guys. Done. Wait. Look at the first pumpkin, and then this pumpkin, the dad is. That's how we got all the seeds. Look.
Just punch it through.
Now just, guys, do that. Guys, I got it. After this, we're going to make pumpkin seeds right here. Look at the babies.
Are you ready to put those in the oven?
Yep. Now we had to wait. Guys, we had to check how we know. We had to stick this inside the pumpkin pie, and then the pumpkin pie still on it, that's not ready. You stick it in and you take it out. It looks like this. It's ready.
What is it? Clean?
Clean.
It's ready.
Look, this is looks like ready.
Hold it.
Super string.
It looks so professional. Okay, we gotta let it cool down, and then we'll put these on there.
My Christmas? My Christmas is filled with laughter and joy.
Thank you to watching, guys. Can you smash that like button and smash the subscribe button, and don't make it red, make it gray. Smash that bell really hard, your iPad or iPhone, whatever you're watching on me, break.